400 new vendors to set up and the same form again and again.
By hand, that is a whole afternoon of clicking the very same fields.
So teach it once instead.
Hit record and fill in a single record exactly the way you always do.
Every click, every field, every dropdown becomes a saved step.
It locks onto each field by its real name, so it holds up even when the page shifts.
Now paste your spreadsheet, one row for every record you need.
Match a column to each field, like the vendor name or the currency.
Then add a rule. If the amount is over your limit, skip that step.
Rules branch each row, so the tricky cases take care of themselves.
Press run and watch it fill one record after another.
Hundreds of entries handled while you go grab a coffee.
It all runs inside your browser on your own login. Nothing ever leaves your machine.
Record once, run for hundreds. It's open source on GitHub.